issued a flash flood warning for north central Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated nearly stationary thunderstorms producing torrential rainfall extending from northern Lawrence County northeastward to Rogersville. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have already fallen across much of this region. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Red Bank. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots.